Dear all, welcome in our YouTube channel Alexis Best Project, and today we will see a new model alcohol reduction and automatic engine locking system. So hardware model is as on your screen as you can see. So let us see which components is used in this project. So first we will see we are using a dual channel relay to turn on and off the car engine when the driver is drunk, and to turn on again when driver is not drunk. This 16 cross LCD is responsible to show either the driver is drunk or not, engine is off or on. To detect either the driver is drunk or not, we are using MQ3 alcohol sensor as you can see here. To provide awareness to the car passengers that driver is drinking while driving, this buzzer is used in this project. To run all the things like buzzer, 16 cross LCD, and in car engine locking and unlocking, and handling all power supplies, this Arduino Nano expansion board is used. This toy car is used as the targeted car on which we will perform all the operations of detecting alcohol and etc. other things. Our project setup required a DC power supply for its operation. To fulfill that purpose, we are using the power adapter. We are using this alcohol for testing purpose. DC adapter required 230 volt power supply for its operation. For this purpose, we are connecting it to extension board and its output pin to Arduino Nano expansion board. So we have done all the activities before the operation. So let us start the project, and project name is appearing on the screen as you can see, and car is started running now because driver is not currently drinking any kind of alcohol, and it is also showing on the LCD no alcohol detected, and engine is on, buzzer is off. So let us apply a little alcohol and consider it driver trying to take alcohol. So as you can see, we have alcohol liquid in this bottle, so we are applying it to a MQ3 alcohol sensor, and as you can see, our system has so quickly responded according to it, and detected alcohol, and engine is off, buzzer is on to aware car passengers. And as you can see, again our system has started working, no alcohol detected, because we are not applying any kind of alcohol to MQ3 sensor. That's why engine is on and buzzer is off. But consider driver is again trying to take alcohol, so you can see our system has quickly responded it, and in car engine has locked up to avoid any kind of accident, and for the safety of passengers, also for the safety of driver. And we have again released the alcohol application. That's why our system is again started running, considering it as driver has leave drinking for some times. Then again now driver is trying to take a little bit alcohol. So you can see our system has quickly responded against it. And remember one thing, that this MQ3 sensor will be placed on the driver's steering for enhanced protection. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if anyone want to purchase this project, please visit description box, and if any student want any kind of modification, those students are also welcome. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.